Hey, what's up everybody, it's Dallas with Gadget Hacks, and today I'm going to show you how to swap the back and recents buttons on your Galaxy S6. Now if you've ever owned a non-Samsung Android device, chances are the buttons were in this order from left to right: back, home, recent apps. But Samsung likes to be different, so they've got their buttons all backwards. And this can be rather annoying if you're used to the standard layout, especially if you have more than one Android device. Well, thanks to an app from developer YS Lang, swapping the back and recents buttons on your Samsung device is actually pretty easy. The app is called All-in-One Gestures, and it's available on the Google Play Store for free. So search it by name to get it installed, then we'll check out the setup process. Now when you first launch the app, you'll see a changelog. Tap OK to close this message and head to the main screen. From here, head over to the Hard Keys tab, then tap the toggle switch at the top of the screen. At this point, the app will inform you that you need to enable its accessibility plugin to use these features, so tap this message to do just that. From here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap the All-in-One Gestures entry. After that, toggle the switch at the top of the screen, then press Turn On. From here, hit your device's awkwardly placed back button 2 times to head back to the app. Next, hit the toggle switch at the top of the screen one more time, and the hard key settings will now be active. From here, find the back button category, then hit the single tap entry beneath it. At this point, a menu will pop up asking what function you would like to assign to this button. So since we're swapping the back and recents keys, go with recent apps here. After that, you'll have to add an entry for the recent apps button so that you can reassign its functionality. So press the floating plus button near the bottom of the screen, then select recent apps, and press OK. Next, select the single tap action for the recent apps button. From here, choose back, and now the keys will be swapped out. So you get a consistent experience across all of your Android devices now, and it was an easy to use free app that lets you do it. But for the full breakdown, be sure to check out my article over on GadgetHacks.com. And as always, we'd appreciate it if you would like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. So we'll see you again next time, folks, but until then, happy gadget hacking!